What if luxury met raw V16 power in 2026? This is the future of American dominance. Welcome back to my channel, AUTOOMTV. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning all-new 2026 Cadillac V16. Trust me, this one is extraordinary. Let's start from the front, where the 2026 Cadillac V16 makes an unforgettable first impression. The bold, imposing grille commands attention with its vertical design, proudly showcasing Cadillac's iconic crest. Sleek LED lighting signatures stretch downward, giving the car a futuristic and authoritative presence. The sculpted hood and wide stance hint at the immense power concealed beneath, creating a look that is both elegant and intimidating. Moving to the side, the Cadillac V16 reveals its true sophistication. Its long, flowing silhouette blends luxury with performance, resembling a sleek, grand tourer. The metallic green finish shimmers beautifully under the light, emphasizing every sculpted contour. Large, multi-spoke alloy wheels enhance its commanding presence, while the subtle V badge signals high-performance pedigree. Every detail is crafted to reflect prestige and power. At the rear, the V16 continues to impress with a design that is both modern and unmistakably Cadillac. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the trunk, delivering a futuristic visual signature. Vertical taillights maintain the brand's heritage, while the aggressive quad exhaust outlets underline its performance credentials. The rear view exudes confidence, elegance, and technological sophistication. Now, let's talk about the heart of this masterpiece, the legendary V16 engine. This rare and extraordinary powertrain represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence. With immense horsepower and exceptionally smooth power delivery, the V16 promises breathtaking acceleration and a refined yet thunderous driving experience. It is not just an engine, it is a statement of automotive supremacy and a tribute to Cadillac's historic legacy. Step inside and you are welcomed into a sanctuary of luxury and innovation. The interior features a panoramic digital display that stretches seamlessly across the dashboard, providing an immersive and futuristic driving experience. Premium leather, authentic wood trim, and meticulous stitching elevate the cabin's sophistication. The two-tone color scheme adds warmth and elegance, while the driver-focused center console ensures effortless control. Every detail reflects craftsmanship, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, making the experience feel more like piloting a private jet than driving a car. The 2026 Cadillac V16 represents a bold step forward, combining a striking redesign with advanced digital integration and the revival of a legendary V16 powertrain. It perfectly blends heritage with modern innovation, redefining what a flagship luxury sedan can be. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Cadillac V16 the ultimate luxury performance sedan? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more incredible automotive content right here on my channel, AUTOOMTV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.